Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the often overlooked but incredibly important space, the bathroom design for small spaces and tips to maximize it for luxurious and relaxing space at home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Small bathrooms can be a challenge to design, but with a little creativity and planning, you can transform your tiny oasis into a functional and stylish retreat. Let's explore some innovative ideas to maximize space and create a bathroom that feels both luxurious and inviting. How can I make my small bathroom feel more spacious? A small bathroom doesn't have to feel cramped. With the right design choices, you can create the illusion of more space. Here are some tips to make your bathroom feel larger. First, lighten up. Opt for a light color palette, such as white, beige, or light gray, to make the space feel more open. Second, maximize natural light. Install a large window or consider adding skylights to let in as much natural light as possible. Third, use mirrors strategically. Place mirrors opposite windows to reflect light and create a sense of depth. Fourth, keep it clutter-free. Minimize clutter by using storage solutions that keep items out of sight. Fifth, install floating vanities. Wall-mounted vanities create a streamlined look and make the space feel less crowded. Sixth, choose a smaller sink. A smaller sink can free up counter space and make the bathroom feel less overwhelming. Seventh, use a corner shower. A corner shower is a great space-saving option, especially in small bathrooms. Eighth, opt for a glass shower door. A glass shower door allows light to pass through and makes the space feel more open. Ninth, install a small bathtub. If you can't live without a bathtub, choose a smaller model to save space. 10th, use vertical storage. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves or cabinets that reach to the ceiling. By incorporating these design elements, you can make your small bathroom feel more spacious and inviting. Remember, the key is to focus on creating a clean, uncluttered space that maximizes natural light. What are some clever storage solutions for small bathrooms? Storage is essential in small bathrooms. By utilizing clever storage solutions, you can keep your space organized and clutter-free. Here are some ideas to maximize storage in your small bathroom. First, install floating shelves. Floating shelves are a great way to add storage without taking up floor space. Second, use a medicine cabinet. A medicine cabinet is a classic storage solution that can hold a variety of items. Third, invest in a vanity with built-in storage. Look for a vanity with drawers, cabinets, or shelves to keep your toiletries organized. Fourth, hang a towel rack. A towel rack can free up counter space and keep your towels within easy reach. Fifth, use a shower caddy. A shower caddy is a convenient way to store toiletries in the shower. Sixth, install a corner shelf. A corner shelf is a great way to utilize unused space in your bathroom. Seventh, use a storage ottoman. A storage ottoman can provide extra seating and storage space. Eighth, hang a pegboard. A pegboard is a versatile storage solution that can be used to hang towels, brushes, and other items. Ninth, use a magnetic strip. A magnetic strip can be used to store metal items such as razors and scissors. 10th, utilize the space behind the door. Hang a small shelf or a pocket organizer on the back of the door to store items that you don't use frequently. By implementing these storage solutions, you can keep your small bathroom organized and functional. Remember, the key is to utilize every inch of space available and to choose storage solutions that match your personal style. How can I add personality to my small bathroom? Just because your bathroom is small doesn't mean it can't be stylish. With a few thoughtful touches, you can add personality and charm to your tiny space. Here are some ideas to make your small bathroom unique. 1. Add a pop of color. Introduce a bold color or pattern to make your bathroom stand out. 2. Hang artwork. Display your favorite artwork or prints to add a personal touch. 3. Install unique fixtures. Choose unique fixtures, such as a vintage sink or a statement light fixture. 4. Add plants. Bring nature indoors by adding a few small plants to your bathroom. 5. Use decorative towels. Choose decorative towels or bath mats to add a touch of luxury. 6. Install a decorative backsplash. A decorative backsplash can add visual interest to your bathroom. 7. Use scented candles or diffusers. Create a relaxing atmosphere with scented candles or diffusers. 8. Add a decorative rug. A small rug can add warmth and texture to your bathroom floor. 9. Install a decorative shower curtain. A decorative shower curtain can make a big impact in a small space. 10. Add a touch of greenery. Incorporate natural elements, such as wood or stone, to create a spa-like feel. By adding personal touches, you can transform your small bathroom into a space that reflects your unique style. Remember, the key is to choose elements that you love and that make you feel relaxed and refreshed. Ready to transform your small bathroom? Start by brainstorming design ideas and creating a vision for your space. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the design process. For more inspiration and design tips, be sure to subscribe to our Homes Decor Designs channel and check out our other videos. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.